Open Confirm Production Order Operation. On the Perform Work screen, make the following entries and choose Enter. Order, production order number you noted. Operation, for example, 0010. In the Quantities section, make the following entries. Yield, enter the amount you want to confirm. Scrap, enter the amount you want to scrap. In the Material Movements section, check the material list. In the Activities section, make the following entries. Setup, enter the setup time you want to confirm for this operation. Machine, enter the machine time you want to confirm for this operation. Labor, enter the labor time you want to confirm for this operation. Select Post and Complete to make final confirmation for this operation. Go back and repeat steps for operation number 0020 and save your entries. Open Manage Production Operations. On the Manage Production Operations screen, enter the following search condition as filter. Select the user from the top left corner. Choose App Settings. Choose against Area of Responsibility Production Supervisor. Check if only this entry displays. Plant 1 in 1810. MTSDI. Evaluated YB1. Select Adapt Filters to display More Selection Filter. Check the checkbox for Material and Production Plant and choose Go. Choose OK. Material and Production Plant fields are then added to filter bar. Status. Confirmed. Material SG224. Production Plant 1810. Choose Go to execute. Detailed operation status displays.